C, we still want to find the point of intersection, but we are going to combine with different subtopic too. For the circle, we on example 11, a circle which lies in the first quadrant touches the x-axis, y-axis, and the straight line. The point F lies on the straight line. A, find the equation of the circle. So we can, first quadrant, we can imagine it will be like this, because it touched the x-axis, y-axis, and in first quadrant, okay, this one is just a sketching. So that, okay, so here is R, here is R, so it touch this x-axis and y-axis. So R here, and there is a line. There is a line for this one. Touch just wherever it touch, just a sketching. So let's say touch at that point. So this line is 3x minus 4y minus 20 equal to 0. Okay, then let's say we have F here on this line, which is 12, 4. Okay, sort of. So the first question is finding the equations. So we know that the center is here, so we know the center is equal to R, and then we know the radius is radius, but we don't have the value, so we are going to find what is the value of R. Then if we have the value of R, then we can know the center. So we know that this one, this also R. Then we are going to use this formula, perpendicular distance from point, so this point is the center, to the straight line, and the distance will be radius. So D just equal to R, and here we have ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and this one will be the h and the k. So A is 3, H is R, plus B is negative 4, K is R, and plus C is negative 20, the modulus is there, square root, A is 3 squared plus B is negative 4 squared, and then you calculate, you will get negative R, negative 20 modulus over 5. So modulus, that means we have two possible values, the positive one and the negative one. So the first one is R equal to negative R, negative 20 over 5, and the other one is R equal to negative outside, the negative of it, 5. We calculate both, so we have this. So finally you got R equal to negative 20 over 6 for this one, and this one you got R, and finally you got this one, R equal to 5. So you rejected this one, as R must be greater than 0. So the final answer is R equal to 5, and our center is 5, 5. But the question of A is asking the equation of the circle. So the equation is x minus 5 squared plus y minus 5 squared equal to R squared. Okay, so 25. The question asking the equation, it doesn't matter general or standard, but for me we have the radius 5, the center 5, 5, so the easiest way is using the standard form of equation. Okay, we're going equation B, the shortest distance from point F to the circle. So as we can see here, we have two distance from here to here. This is from F to circle, and from here to here. So it's the shortest one is here. Okay, that one. So we are going to calculate that length. Okay, let me redraw this. Let's say we have this, and this. This is the F, and this is the center where 5 coordinate. This is the radius where radius is 5. This is the point of the tangent. So we know that somewhere will be R here. So this is the circle. So we are going to find this length, and we name this length. Let's say we have, let's say we name it P, but it doesn't matter. We don't have to find the value of P. What we need is this highlighted one, we call it D. Okay, and whereas we need to find from here to here, whereas we need to find F here, from F to C, so we label it with H. Okay, we call it H for that green one, and for D is the pink one. Okay, so we have the coordinate of the F, which is 12, 4. So first we find the length of H, which is from the F to the center. So coordinate of the X, coordinate of the Y. This is the length, the formula of the length. 50, so in simple. And then D, the distance of the D, the pink highlight, which is the H minus the length of the radius. So this is the radius, that one. So the length of H is 5 square root of 2 minus radius is 5. The final answer is 2.07 unit. Must be in at least 3 significant figure. If less than that, you will got minus mark.